Sydney.
Come here.
Oh, Sadie, you ruined it. All right, put her back over there.
She probably like, I ain't gonna do this too many more times.
Sit with me, Sadie. Sydney.
Come on. Come to mama.
Stand her back up.
Stand up.
Close your legs, Sydney. Put your legs closer together.
Stand up.
Sydney, leave the books alone. All right, let her go.
Sydney, come on.
Come on, Puffy. Come on, Puffy. Go. Let's try. Let's try again.
How many more times we gotta do this?
Until she gets it right. She's so close. You're so close.
Stand up.
I like the bookshelf because I can see her walking towards me. Sydney. Sydney. Come on, Puffy. Come on, Puff. There you go, Frankenstein. There you go. There you go. Oh, yay.